Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something absolutely mind-blowing, a brand new tool that lets you clone any website, host it, and go live in just 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Clonzey AI makes it possible to duplicate entire websites, edit them, and launch them instantly, even if you have zero coding or design experience, whether you're a marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or a total beginner. This might be one of the most powerful tools of 2025, so in this video, I'll walk you through what Clonzey AI does, a live step-by-step demo, who it's perfect for, its top features, pros and cons, pricing, and my honest verdict on whether you should buy it. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. Magnifying glass tilted left. What is Clonzey AI? Clonzey AI is a web-based application that allows you to white heavy checkmark clone websites, white heavy checkmark host them instantly, white heavy checkmark customize them visually, white heavy checkmark create new websites from scratch, white heavy checkmark generate AI content and graphics, white heavy checkmark migrate them to your own domain, white heavy checkmark can even sell the cloned sites with a commercial license. This isn't just for cloning visual elements. It captures the full structure, content, images, scripts, and funnels of any website. And yes, it even works on dynamic sites and member portals. This tool is designed for speed, simplicity, and scalability.
Have you ever
You don't need
wanted
to be a developer.
create your very own
You don't need to pay for
top-quality
hosting.
website?
It's
But
all
you don't
done
know where to
inside one
start, where
dashboard.
to find
Brain, why it's a
developers,
game
where to do
changer.
all of that.
Let's think about the traditional
What
way
if
of
I told
launching a
you that you
website.
could find
Hire a
big
designer, hire a
templates
developer,
such as this
set
one
up
from
hosting,
Financial
buy
Times,
themes and plugins, wait
and
weeks,
then edit
sometimes
it
months,
for
pay
yourself?
hundreds, or even
With
thousands of
Clonzey,
dollars.
this is now
Clonzey
possible.
AI flips
It's
that
as
completely.
easy as going to
Backhand
the
index
dashboard,
pointing right, you find a
creating
site you
your
like.
very own
Backhand
template,
index pointing right,
letting
paste the
Clonzey
URL.
create the template,
Backhand index
download it,
pointing right,
and
click
get
one
sent
button. Backhand
straight
index pointing
to
right,
our
boom.
editor in
You've got your own
Clonzey,
copy, fully
where
hosted
it's
and
all drag and
editable,
drop,
live in
where you
under
can go
60
and edit, for
seconds.
example,
This
this
tool is
headline
built by
here.
experienced marketers who understand conversion, so whether it's a sales funnel, product page, or portfolio, you can duplicate the exact structure and optimize it for your needs. Wrench live demo, cloning a website. Alright, let's put Clonzey AI to the test. Step 1, paste the URL, we're going to clone this, insert example website, a well-designed sales page. Step 2, click clone, with one click, Clonzey AI captures all the HTML, CSS, images, scripts, content, and funnel logic. Step 3, go live, and just like that, our site is live. You can see it's hosted on a preview domain, ready for customization. Bonus step, customization. Here's where the drag and drop builder comes in. You can change text, replace images, change colors, add sections, all with zero code. And if you want to make it yours, just connect your domain and you're good to go. Light bulb top features explained. Let's go deeper into the features and see how this platform stacks up. White heavy checkmark full site cloning, not just visuals, layout, backend structure, and media files, works even on membership and dynamic content sites. White heavy checkmark AI powered builder, drag and drop interface. Use AI to generate new sections, text, or images. White heavy checkmark hosting domain management,